And now let's proceed with our measure of central tendency discussion. Up until this point, we have already know what does it mean by skewed and not skewed. So why in the situation of not skewed you can use mean, and why in the situation of skewed you cannot use mean, you will need to use median. Okay, to discuss on that, we are going to use an example, just an easy example. Okay, let's say I'm about to go for a survey, right? About maybe a survey on the salary of Unimap lecturer, right? A salary of Unimap lecturer. So what I do is that I will go and ask each of lecturer what is their salary. So until I reach the point that actually enough, right, for my sample. So maybe just let's take maybe 5 for example. So maybe I go to the first lecturer, maybe he say that his salary is 5,500, and then go to the next lecturer, he say that 5,000, that to the next one, say that maybe 4,300, around that area, and then we have 6,000. So the salary is around the area maybe. But let's imagine that somebody came in, right? Let's say it is a Bill Gates or Mark Zuckerberg maybe. What will his monthly salary be? Will it be within this range? Obviously not, right? Their salary is actually, we can talk about maybe billions, right? So billions. So instead of 6,000, maybe let's put it 60 million or 600 million, right? 600 million or 6 billion. Okay, the same goes for this one. Maybe instead of 4,300, it is actually 43 million. Okay, so even, and let's say if there is no such salary in Unimap, maybe the salary is around this. If we try to find the average, right, what will be, if you want to find the center point, so basically their salary is actually in a normal kind of figure. So let's try to use our calculator and try to calculate for it. Wait, let me open my calculator. Okay, so 5,500 plus 5,000 plus 4,300 plus 6,000. Okay, so this is the summation for this 4. To get the average, I will divide it by 4, right? 4. So basically the average is 5,200, which is actually quite okay. We can say that, okay, so the average number of salary for Unimap lecturer is 5,200. It is okay. This is when we are using mean. But what about if we include the salary of Mark Zuckerberg and Bill Gates that just transfer to Unimap, let's say. Now let's try to calculate it again, right? We have 5,500 plus 5,000 plus 4,300, which is actually the salary of previous lecturer, plus 6,000. Now let's sum with the salary of Mark Zuckerberg and Bill Gates. This is not actually the actual salary, but let's just assume it is like that. So 600 million. Okay, plus with 43 million. Okay, so this is the summation, and then divide by how many? Now we have include 6%, right? Divide by 6 together, just to get the average by using mean. As you can see, previously, this is the calculation for a data that is actually normal. 5,500, 5,000, 4,3, 6,000, and you get the average just around that. But if you neglect, right, if you neglect the normality, right, if you see this kind of data is actually not normal, right? We have, because the average, the salary is around this area, but later you have this 100 million kind of salary, and you still use mean. See what happened? The average salary become 107,170,133 ringgit. So basically, if you actually use mean to find the average salary, you will say that, okay, so the average salary for Unimap lecturer is 107 million. Is it true? Obviously, it is not. But because we are using mean, which is in a situation where the data is not normal, we're still using mean, you will get this. So basically, when the data is not normal, in other words, when the data is skewed, this table here, 1.14, suggests us to use median. So it is true, right? Why? Because for median, you will actually arrange this number, right? You will arrange this number. Let me make it smaller. Okay, you will arrange this number ascendingly, maybe. So you start with 4,300, and then 5,000, and then 5,500, and then 6,000, and then 43 million, and then 600 million. Right? We still include this, but now we arrange it from the lowest value to the highest value. And for us to get a million, we will actually need to just take the middle point, which is what? 5. Let's try to rearrange it so that you see. Okay, so 4,300, then we have 5,000, and then 5,500, and then 6,000, and then we have these millions, 43 million, and then we have the 600 million. Okay, now how I arrange it, right? Because I want to use median, and then to use median, I will need just to take the middle value, which is, we have two middle values, so I will get the average out of it. So basically 5,500 plus 5,500 plus 6,000 divided by 2. So on average 5,750. This is the middle point when I use median. As you can see, obvious difference between it. So basically, in a situation where the data is not normal or skewed, instead of using mean, you will use median because of this. If you tend to use mean when the data is not normal, you will get an answer that is actually misled, which is actually biased. Okay, so that's why for the skewed data, you should use median, and for the not skewed data, you can use mean. Okay, so that is actually all for measure of central tendency. For our next video, we discuss on measure of